we are going to discuss about primary and foreign keys. First of all, primary key. The job of the primary key is to locate as fast as possible a particular data record in a table. For example, to locate the record with ID 314159 from the table of million records. With most database systems including MySQL, it is also permitted to have primary keys that are formed from several fields of a table. Whether it is a single field or several that serve as primary key, the following properties should be satisfied. The primary key must be unique. It is not permitted that two records have the same content in their primary key field. The primary key should be compact, and there are two reasons for this. First, for the primary key, it is necessary to maintain an index to maximize the speed of search. The more compact the primary field key, the more efficient the management of this index. Therefore, an integer is more suitable than a character string of variable length for use as a primary key field. Second, the content of the primary key field is used as a foreign key in other tables, and there as well it is efficient to have the foreign key as compact as possible. With most database systems, it has become standard practice to use a 32 or 64-bit integer as primary key field, generated automatically in sequence 1, 2, 3, etc. by the database system. Thus, neither the programmer nor the user need to be concerned how a new and unique primary key values is to be found for each record. In MySQL, such files are declared as follows. If we translate from SQL to English, what we have is this. The field publisher ID is not permitted to contain null. Its contents are generated by the database. The field functions as a primary key, that is, MySQL creates an auxiliary index file to enable rapid search. Simultaneously, it is thereby ensured that the publisher ID value is unique when new records are input, even if a particular publisher ID is specified in the insert command. Second one, foreign key. The task of the foreign key field is to refer to a record in the detailed table. However, this reference comes into being only when a database query is formulated, for example, in the following form. With this, an alphabetical list of all book titles are generated, in which the second column gives the publisher of the book. The result would look something like this. Decisive here is the clause where title publisher ID equal to publisher.publisher ID. It is here that the link between the table is created. On the other hand, in the declaration of a table, the foreign key plays no particular role. For MySQL, a foreign key field is just another ordinary table field. There are no particular keywords that must be employed. In particular, no index is necessary. You need to take care that the foreign key field is of the same data type as the type of the primary key field. Otherwise, the evaluation of word condition can be very slow. Whether you specify the attribute not null depends on the context. In most cases, not null is to be recommended in order to avoid at the outset the occurrence of incomplete data. However, if you wish to allow, for example, that in the book database a book could be entered that had no publisher, then you should do without not null. The difference between primary and foreign key is primary key cannot accept null value. Foreign key can accept multiple null value. Second one, only one primary key in a table. More than one foreign key in a table. Third one, primary key does not accept duplicate value. Foreign key attributes thus contain the duplicate value. Fourth one, primary key is clustered index. Foreign key is not clustered index. Fifth one, primary key constraint can be applied temporary tables. Foreign key constraint cannot be applied temporary tables. Thank you.